Unraveling the Mystery of Pump Dry, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase you might have come across: pump dry. This idiom isn't just about physical pumps or dryness, but it carries a unique meaning in the English language. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage together. Pump dry is an idiom that can be a bit confusing at first. Let's break it down. Pump refers to the action of moving liquid, gas, or air by using a pump. Dry means without water or moisture. When combined, pump dry might suggest removing all liquid until something is dry. However, in idiomatic English, it often goes beyond the literal meaning. In a figurative sense, to pump something dry means to use a resource or a source of information completely, leaving nothing left. It's like extracting all possible value from something until there's nothing more to give. Here are some examples. The investigators pumped the archives dry for information. They extracted all possible information from the archives. The company has pumped the local water sources dry. The company has used up all the water in the local area. It's important to use pump dry in the right context. This phrase is best used in situations where something is being exhausted or used up completely. It can apply to physical resources, like water or oil, or abstract resources, like information or ideas. Physical context. Farmers are concerned that the new policies might pump the river dry. Abstract context. After writing her book, she felt like her creativity was pumped dry. There are a few phrases with similar meanings to pump dry. These include drain dry, similar to pump dry. It means to use up a resource completely. Exhaust a resource. This means to use up a resource to the point where it is no longer available. Using these variations can add diversity to your speech or writing and helps in understanding the concept from different angles. Understanding idioms like pump dry is a great way to deepen your proficiency in English. It not only helps in grasping the language better but also allows you to appreciate the cultural nuances embedded in idiomatic expressions. I hope this video has made the phrase, pump dry, clear and easy to use. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.